Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NHL. We'll start by getting comfortable with the controller. First, master basic movement like skating forward and backward and then practice passing the puck to your teammates. Next, we'll cover how to take a shot on goal, aiming for the corners. Finally, we'll touch on essential defensive moves, such as using the poke check to disrupt opponents and delivering a solid body check to separate them from the puck. Now that you know the basics, let's elevate your offense. One-timers are incredibly effective. Just pass and shoot in one fluid motion for a powerful shot. Practice various dekes and stick-handling moves to create space and get around defenders. Maintaining puck possession in the offensive zone is crucial for generating scoring chances and wearing down your opponent's defense. Aim for at least 60% puck possession. A strong defense is key to winning games. We'll cover how to quickly switch to the player closest to the puck to maintain tight coverage. Learning to block shots and intercept passes will significantly reduce your opponent's scoring opportunities. Applying consistent pressure on the puck carrier can force them into mistakes, leading to valuable turnovers and counterattack chances. Try to keep opponents to under 20 shots on goal. To truly improve, explore the different game modes available. Practice mode is excellent for honing specific skills, like shooting or deking, without game pressure. Dive into exhibition games to apply what you've learned in a competitive setting. Understanding team strategies and the roles of your forwards, defensemen, and goalie will help you play more cohesively and effectively as a unit, aiming for at least 3 goals per game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.